What's going on my YouTube people? What's going on my YouTube people? It's your girl Tori G back with another video cause your girl is on a roll. Okay. So I wanted to bring y'all like a simple little quick little hairstyle that I know I didn't invent it, of course, but I haven't seen, unless I wasn't looking hard enough, I haven't seen any videos showing this style. I mean, it's fairly simple, so I'm pretty sure you probably don't need a video, but I mean, for those of you that do need a video, this is it. I brought it, I gave it to you, I delivered. So without further ado, if you want to see how I get this cute little fun little oh ah oochie ooly ooh do, okay, then just keep watching. And yes, I'll see you in the next video. Oh yeah, keep watching and look, I'll just kidding. Keep watching and yeah, okay, bye. All right, y'all, so I am starting, and I don't know why I was dancing throughout this whole video because I didn't have any music or anything. I guess I was just in a good day. Anyway, I'm starting on a fresh twist. You know, I do have a twist out video that I'm gonna put in the cards, so if you want to check that out, feel free to do so. Support your girl, all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm just taking out my twists to do the style. Duh. And then I'm gonna take that wide tooth comb. I'm gonna go ahead and make my little section. I'm gonna kind of part my section. My parts are never like completely neat because I ain't perfect, so my hair ain't perfect either. But yeah, so I'm just gonna section off my hair where I'm gonna put my knots, my Bantu knots. And trust me, y'all, when I tell you this part is not gonna be neat in no way, shape, or form. So don't stress about it. Just do your thing. Just get it separated. All right, y'all. Now I'm taking this effed up pick, and no, I was not digging in my fucking nose, so don't say that shit. But I'm gonna go ahead and use that fucked up pick and make my little triangles Now, my parts are not gonna be all the same size. I intentionally didn't want them to be all the same size, and I probably couldn't make them all the same size if I actually wanted to. So, either way, it worked out, and I'm just gonna start knotting my hair. Now, for the smaller ones, I didn't need rubber bands to keep it like secure, but for the bigger ones, as you'll see in the video, I do add rubber bands to it just to make sure that it doesn't come like undone um, throughout the day or anything like that. And I wanted to keep these parts as unedited as possible. So I'm just showing you guys a few Bantu knots that I did before I decided to do the rest off camera. Stay hydrated, people. Water is good for the soul, the body, and the mind, okay? All right, and my knots are done. So I like them. I'm sure y'all like them or whatever. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and start separating um, the back section of my hair, put some oil on my hands and get it popping. And yeah, I'm gonna let y'all watch me separate my hair. Okay, y'all, in my normal twist out videos, I don't use a pick just because I know that I'm gonna have it in for a longer period of time. However, this style, although it's super cute, I do have something to do this weekend, so I'll probably only leave it up for the rest of the day, or so for the rest of tomorrow, and then take it down. So I did use a pick to put a little bit of volume in my hair, and then I did a little something to my edges. Nothing big, because you know, I don't know. Well, you don't know, but I don't really know nothing about my edges or doing edges or whatever. And this is pretty much it for the look, y'all. This turned out way cuter than I expected. I'm so happy. I'm going to do this again, probably on my next twist set. And yeah, I'm feeling it. I know y'all feeling it. So yeah, like this video if you feeling it, okay? All right, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Bye.